In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Luts in Davinci Resolve 19. Whether you're a professional editor or just a hobbyist, understanding how to effectively manage LUTs or lookup tables in Davinci Resolve is essential for controlling the color grading process of your projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate this process with ease and precision. To begin with, open up your Davinci Resolve application. Make sure it's the correct version, which in this case is version 19. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted by a familiar interface if you've used Davinci Resolve before. Now you'll want to go ahead and select a project that you'd like to work on. Click on a project from your list or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once your project is loaded, it's time to dive into the color page, which is where all the action happens. The color page is crucial because it houses the tools necessary for color correction and grading. You'll find the timeline situated on the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll right-click directly on the timeline space. A drop-down menu will appear offering several options related to color management and adjustments. After right-clicking, look for the option that says LUT in the drop-down menu. LUTs are powerful tools that help transform the colors in your footage from one space to another, often used to apply a specific stylized look or to ensure consistency across various clips. But for our purpose today, we're removing them. So let's move on to the next step. Click on the LUT option you see in the drop-down. This will open another menu that lists all the LUTs currently applied or available for your project. Your goal here is to ensure that none of these LUTs alter your footage anymore. To achieve this, look for an option that says No LUT selected. Clicking on this option effectively removes any applied LUTs from your selected footage. What this action does is reset your color grading back to the base footage, allowing you room for fresh color correction and grading. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the LUTs from your project in Davinci Resolve 19. Remember, if you wish to reapply or experiment with different LUTs after this process, you can always revisit this menu and select a LUT that best fits your desired aesthetic. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. With these steps clear in your mind, you're now ready to manage LUTs confidently in your color grading workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed tutorials like this, and as always, happy editing.